W-X-Y-and-Z. Now Hannah knows her. Are you going to sing it? Now Hannah knows her ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Yay!
You want to sing them all louder for Mama Janet? Sing them again.
A, B, C, D,
E, F, G, H,
I.
You're silly. You're a stinker. Are you going to sing them?
A, B, C, D,
E,
F, G.
H.
No, don't.
Oh, okay, I won't. You do it.
H.
I. Are you going to sing them?
B.
Go beep. Careful, you almost fell. H, I.
Go beep, go beep, go beep.
Are you doing your umbrella? Do your umbrella. That's what she does at the end. But you have to spin. You're going to get down and show Mama Janet your umbrella? What are you doing? Close your little legs. What's in there? Is that your onesie? Did you go pee? Yeah. Did you go poop? No. She was dry right before we left. She's been dry that whole time, so I guess she's